The smallest two-digit number is 10, but that one's not a prime. And the one after it is 11, which is. Brilliant. Then the largest two-digit prime number, well, let's work backwards. 99, that's divisible by 9 and 3. 98's even. How about 97? Well, that one is prime as well. So the answer is going to be 97 minus 11, which is going to be 86. Just a little shout out about, how do we know whether a number is prime? Well, we just have to check whether numbers go into it. So for 11, well, 2 is the first prime number. Clearly it doesn't go into it. 3 doesn't either because it's like 3, 6, 9, 12. Then we only have to check we only have to check up to the square root of any number to see if it's prime because if there's a factor that goes into it below the square root, there's going to have to be one after it. So in this case, we only actually have to check up to 3. 97 will be a bit more. We have to check up to 10, but we only have to check the prime, so it's clearly not even. 3 doesn't go into it. We know that 99 does. You can also add the digits together to give 16, and because they're not divisible by 3, then 97 is not. I'm not going to talk more about that little trick, but that's worth knowing. And then 5 doesn't end in a 0 or 5. 7, you'd have to do a little division for this one probably. Or you could see that, well, 7 goes into 70, then you only have to check 27, but 28 works, so 27 doesn't. Or you can do a division and see that we get a remainder. So we're going to get 13 remainder 6. And then at that point, that's it. So, you know, ultimately the aim is to learn these sorts of prime numbers, but something like 97 can be a bit tricky. But yeah, that's the answer here.